Alright, so useRef. Let's see how useRef works and when we need to use it in our React apps. So, for example, let's say we have a div here that has a username, a password, and a button that will submit these two values. And I want to change the background color of this here, username, once we submit our values. I want it to be red and I want it to be focused, right? Now, in order for me to do that, I'm gonna need to use useRef. So let's import useRef and let's create two refs. We're gonna say const username ref. We're gonna say useRef and give it an initial value of null. This is the same here, just as in use state. So this is the initial value. And we're gonna say const password ref is equal to useRef of null. Now we need to, let's say, bind these refs to some elements in our DOM. So we're gonna say ref is equal to username ref, and the same for the password field. Ref is equal to password ref. Now, with this ref, let's see it in action. We can log it here. We're gonna say console.log username ref.current, and this current is the current object, the current value of the element. So when we go to our app, we reload and we submit, as you can see, we have the DOM element here, the entire input element, and we can access anything inside it. So let's display our values. We're gonna say console.log username ref.current.value, and let's wrap this. Let's do this the smart way. So we're gonna interpolate the string, all right, and we're gonna display our password in the same way. So we're gonna say password ref.current.value, and now when we go to our app, we can say username is here, and we can say password is here, and when we log it, as you can see, username is here and password is here. We can access anything inside this input element. And let's say we want to change our color of the username field. So we want to change this field to be red, its background color to be red. So we're going to say username ref dot current dot style and dot background color is equal to red. And you can put anything you want here. All right. So when we change it and submit, it logs here, and you see the background color changes. So we can access absolutely anything inside it. And we can also do the focus on our username input that we wanted. So we can just say the same thing. We access the current object that has everything inside it, and we're going to say focus. We're going to call it. And now when we go to submit, let's reload our app. Let's say username, password. And when we click submit, you see it's focused on the username input and it's gotten red. So you see, it works and it's being logged here. And that's basically how useRef works. It's used to access our DOM elements and access their stuff. We can also say blur here, and we can say any function that it can call, basically. There are more uses for useRef, for example, for fixing memory leaks or for counting how many re-renders happened, but that's a lesser known use case. It's basically something that you will use less in your apps. Most of the time you'll be using this with your ref. So that's all you need to know, and that's useRef.